Guys, OMG, no way, my iPad got fixed. Oh my gosh, it legit got fixed. Now you can hear me, but if you didn't see the previous video, alright, if you didn't see that, well, go and check that out. Sorry I didn't be able to make a video. He's the one who fixed it.
Hello, everybody.
Alright, so I was at tennis so I can upload this video right now. I'll show you my tennis Guernsey now. If it's a Guernsey, look at that Guernsey. Show you that Guernsey. This is the best thing ever made in the world. So now I'll be able to upload more videos for you guys. Subscribe to my channel. Also I'll do some more car simulator for you guys, because I know you have missed out on lots of games. You've missed out on lots of games, so I'll try to bring back and probably I'll get Dragon Seed uploaded right today if I have enough time. Bye.